Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel, Soul and Style. Today I'm telling the history of Kawasaki. The history of Kawasaki motorcycles, from the beginning to the future. Today we're diving into the iconic history of Kawasaki motorcycles, one of the biggest names in the world of two-wheelers. From its humble beginnings to dominating the racing scene, Kawasaki has shaped the motorcycle industry like few others. Let's take a ride through time. Founded in 1960. Back in the early 1960s, Kawasaki's journey into motorcycles began. The company was originally known for its work in heavy industries, but in 1960, they made their first foray into the motorcycle world with the Kawasaki B8, a 125cc model. At that time, they had no idea that their name would soon become synonymous with powerful machines and cutting-edge design. Racing domination. The 1970s and 80s marked a turning point for Kawasaki. They were quick to recognize the importance of racing to showcase their engineering prowess. In the early 1970s, the Kawasaki H1 Mach 3, a 500cc two-stroke, revolutionized the street bike scene with its speed and handling. Kawasaki soon became a dominant force in competitive racing. With models like the Kawasaki Z1 in 1972, the company solidified its place in motorcycle history. The Z1 was an instant classic, fast, powerful, and a game-changer for both the street and racetracks. The Ninja legacy. In the 1980s, Kawasaki took things up a notch with the launch of the Ninja series. The Kawasaki Ninja 900, introduced in 1984, set the stage for the iconic line that would go on to define performance motorcycles for decades. With sleek designs and high-performance engines, the Ninja became synonymous with speed and agility. Over the years, the Ninja series expanded, giving rise to new models like the Ninja ZX-10R and Ninja H2R, which pushed the boundaries of what a production motorcycle could achieve. Kawasaki's commitment to high performance and innovation has kept the Ninja brand at the top of the game. Today's Kawasaki, a legacy of innovation. Fast forward to today, and Kawasaki continues to be a leader in the motorcycle world. Their lineup has expanded to include everything from sport bikes to cruisers, touring bikes, and even electric models. Their commitment to cutting-edge technology is evident in models like the electric-powered Kawasaki Ninja E1 and their focus on sustainability. From the legendary racing machines to the cutting-edge tech of today, Kawasaki's legacy lives on, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motorcycle design and performance. Kawasaki motorcycles, a legacy of speed and innovation. That's a wrap on the incredible history of Kawasaki motorcycles. From their first 125cc bike to the powerhouse Ninjas of today, Kawasaki has proven that innovation and speed are in their DNA. If you enjoyed this ride through history, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.